I am off tomorrow. So excited. There's my frozen pumpkin pie. I'm trying to tilt it out with a good angle. Ooh. Ooh. That's gold. Drinking some coffee. Eating some frozen pumpkin pie. Oh, I didn't want you anyways. There you go. Cannoli like some. My scraps. This is a hard angle. So, sorry, you can't stare at the pie. Someone just texted me. It looks like there's a thumb print in my pie. It's got big guy all over it. Pretty sure. Oh my god. Bon appetito. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, that was cold. I'm gonna have to let that thaw out a little bit. A little minute. A little minute. Oh. So good. Sitting back, knowing I don't have to go to work tomorrow. Can sleep in. I can maybe go metal detecting. I was hungry and there was nothing to make, so I am making something. But I started with dessert first. Don't judge me. I gotta go shopping. I'm gonna let that thaw out and I'm gonna go get what I made for dinner. But I had dessert first. But since it was too cold, so I need to let it thaw out a little bit. So I'm gonna eat my dinners. Hold on one sec. Okay, so this is my dinners. Just a little scoop of fettuccine that I doctored out. And that kills me. Can you hear the coyotes? They just got their dinners. Makes me sad. Some kielbasa with some barbecue sauce. Watching Trisha Paytas. Can I just hold it like that? There we go. But I do gotta go shopping. on, man. Some chewy kielbasa. Look, I only got like a half a cup of peppers. Pepper on it. I have to go to the store. I put some cream cheese, some sour cream. It ain't healthy. Just telling you that. Noodles are al dente.
And like when I'm productive, I'm so productive. Like when I'm on, my days are on and go. It's always on. I think it's now that I just don't have like that I know I can be lazy, but my body is saying okay, take a break. So I basically just came in bed.
I was so gonna eat dessert first.
Like I first did it, I got really kind of nauseous.
I roll like that.
It's a weird kind of nauseous too. It's not.
I don't even have a veggie in there. I have edamame. I got out of work about an hour and ooh, my boss came up to me and said, of that unit, me and the other boss. Hold on. Boss was stuck in my tooth. Hold on. Drives me crazy when I have something in the back of my tooth or anywhere in my teeth. He comes up to me and says, "Can I talk to you?" Yeah. He goes, me and the other manager talked to the main boss, and we're both going to be gone, and we want you to run it. And I was like, okay, thank you for trusting me. That both bosses are going to be gone, and little old me, they're entrusted. It takes two to run it. They're both going to be gone. So I was flattered. So I'm very flattered, thank you. And I'll do it. So. Okay. I'm done with this. Sausage.
This little like bow and
One more bite of noodles.
this little arm sticks up, right? And I usually put you guys like right there against my screen, which is probably not the best thing to do anyways. But because of this, it's crooked and wobbly. I love these pieces. They're not bueno for filming. So as you guys can tell, it is raining.
Maybe I'll be happy she'll like that fettuccine.
Lunch with my father and his wife, and we saw the Mr. Rogers movie. It was so cute and so sad, but like good. It like was a good movie. But it was really, I was bawling my eyes out. I don't do well with death, even fictional characters and people I don't know. Like death really is hard. I mean, it's hard for everyone, obviously, but I go limp when it comes to
feel naughty.
And there was a lot of
Okay,
death
let's see.
and stuff. And
Okay, it's getting there.
There was just like a lot of talk about death, and like it was just like really sad, and it's like part of life, and there's actually like a beautiful thing. So it's like that's part of life. It means you're human. Like
Better.
so, my hair looks great today.
There's some Cool Whip in there too. So tomorrow, if I don't go get my car, which I'm supposed to go get my car, if I don't,
Everybody was so cute. Like, Loki had he was so cute. Like I said, I'm not.
I'm gonna go down to downtown San Diego.
Wow, they're so attractive. Like, I don't know, it's weird.
And do some fishing for some of my finds. And I'll take you guys all along the ride with me.
Almost as like feel to him, like almost like 1950s.
Trisha Paytas uses this lip balm. I want to know where she gets it. Because I want it.
Cash out. Always good to have cash on you if you can.
Honestly, this was better. Not frozen.
But yeah, it was good. Holidays are
It's
whatever.
good.
We're talking about this. Holidays are kind of like whatever to me. They're just hard for me to enjoy because I don't know.
It does taste better the other way. It's like real creamy.
Let's.
Alicia! Alicia! I made fettuccine if you want some.
Vlogmas will start. I would start Vlogmas too early, but I guess it starts on December 1st.
We have pie.
So I will start Vlogmas, but I feel like it's, I'm gonna keep on it. Like basically, I want to try and do like morning to night, that day, that you know what I mean. Like I want to start doing that. Like when I wake up, when I go to bed. I mean, I don't do that much throughout the day. So
You want fettuccine?
I mean, I'll be busy in December, but.
There's a whole bunch in there. I'm doing a video and eating some pie.
It's really pretty though. Like I love seeing rain. I can't love you much about like I don't like driving in the rain, but seeing that is majestic and magical. Oh, so many people have given me compliments. I posted this on Instagram. This is my like snakeskin jacket. I have skirts on. I have skirt underneath it, but it's inspired by Marvel.
I like Trisha Paytas, but
I love it. And some people have been asking me, Michael Philpott makes it.
she's taking them.
He's hella busy. Like I'm always
She's straight
looking
doing
to
porn.
make anything, so I don't know like if you DM him, he might be able to make it. I don't really know. Also, everything he does is like custom, like one of a kind. Like the fabrics he gets, he like doesn't get them in like bulk. So like he may have found like different fabrics or something, but maybe he can do something. So many people ask me like if I custom outfits, like always.
Not for me to judge.
He does a lot for like movies and television and stuff. So sometimes like even me, I'm like.
Some of the stuff she posts, I'm like, girl.
But anyways, my new album came out today, and I was jamming to my car, so Narcissistic was like, Emma, I like my music. My music's just like poppy and feel good. I mean, obviously I like my music, but this new one is this Rebirth album. I really, really have been
I just know.
digging because it just is like feel good. You just like empower.
One of my
me.
daughters
Like,
said,
I wrote.
what would you
went
do
back
if,
to back in the
like,
journey when
you found out I was
dancing hardcore and like dieting hardcore, and it just like brought me back to that moment and just inspired me. Like,
stripping?
work out again, like
I'm
all that stuff. So. Yeah, After Love's on there.
not dissing the
We
strippers,
have another one called Show Me Yours. And then
but I would go in there and rip your hair out and you out with it. Or out the door. That's just me though. And my kids. I'd go straight up there and rip you right off. At stage. Okay, I'll focus.
Shout out to my patrons. I know it's not my Patreon, but honestly, the people who are subscribed to me over on Patreon, like honestly, without you guys, I couldn't keep doing my music and music videos. Like it just wouldn't happen.
This is the top
So expensive,
6%.
and It's a lot of money, and I have my own bills and people to take care of in my life and just that stuff. So all the Patreon stuff always goes in my music, and it's like so fun for me, and it's like so fulfilling for me and creative. So it's like I appreciate all the support. And obviously, you guys stream it on Spotify or buy it on iTunes. It helps tremendously as well. But I'm very
Not for me to
fortunate
judge.
because it's honestly fun. Like it's not. I'm not honestly like you're welcome for the music.
Oh god,
But, like,
now I'm
glad
full.
You guys dig it, but like I guess I thank you guys more than anything for like digging it because
What I really wanted, this is from work. It's actually going away.
For music videos and stuff, so
This one gone away.
shooting too, but it has
Have you ever had a freaking freezer burn? It's a whole different element of hurt than a burn.
Tomorrow. People are so nice. People are like, oh, you're looking thinner.
Anyways, that was that.
I can
It wasn't too exciting, but it's what I did tonight. And now I'm completely 100% full. It's like exciting to do. Yeah, we all know. Us big girls.
Remember, if you're not spending it with your family or it's not something to do.
It's euphoric. And then afterwards, you're like, but
It's another day. It's another day. That's what I was telling myself too. Like,
what I'm really
it's like
proud of myself for is I am doing
it's
small
another day,
portion
I love
control.
that, but the pressure of it for the birds.
It's obviously working.
One other thing.
Well, the key point is you got to win the battle and you got to keep losing.
Before I started filming, and,
I don't want to just maintain.
Funny fact about Jeff. So he actually
I'm stuck in my do.
co-wrote and was in this trailer.
All right, I will see you in the morning, guys. Love you.